You okay? Okay. That's why I don't eat hot chips. Hey, can you hear me? My phone is just fucked up. The question is, can y'all hear me? And if you can you hear me accurately? Am I loud and clear? Or what's up? How do I sound? Oh, you can hear me? Okay, great. I got this microphone from Five Below. Ugh, this microphone from I got this microphone from Five Below for $5. Just trying to see if it works. It's hilarious that it works. It's fucking hilarious because I've been buying microphones for $25 and they have $50 and they have a microphone in fucking Five Below for $5. I'm gonna go buy a backup. I'm gonna go buy two backups because why not? The audacity. And I'm over here paying $50 fucking on Amazon. I tell you, you got the biggest crush on me. Oh, thank you. Yes, I am at school. I'm, well, trying to enjoy my lunch break. Don't know how much is possible. Really don't know how much is possible. I'm not doing good in this class. I guess I'm not applying myself in the right way. And my study habits probably need to be updated. You've got mail. Right now, I'm going to school for a party and bullshit and party and bullshit. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not failing the class, but I don't have the grade that I want. Come give me the light. Yeah. Oh, there's some boats on the water. And it looks like a jet ski. Oh, I look good? Thanks. Thank you so much. So kind. Okay. Whatever. In my other class, I'm doing like really good. I probably have an A. Pretty sure. 80% sure I'll have an A. Hey, boo. How are you? And shout out to the Philippines. How you doing? I left my salad at home. I forgot.
Cells that provide the body with biological, physical, and chemical protection. The integumentary system is a diverse
Integumentary.
organ system with a primary function of protection. It includes a variety of organs and cells that provide the body with biological, physical, and chemical protection, whether producing vitamin D, enhancing calcium absorption, regulating internal body temperature, protecting from damaging ultraviolet energy, facilitating sensory reception, or providing a formidable barrier protection. The integumentary system has highly specialized to perform its functions. The integumentary system includes the skin, sweat, and oil glands, hair, and nails.
I gotta stop drinking this bullshit. It is not good. Okay, how do you say it again?
The integumentary system
The
is a diverse
integumentary
organ system
system.
with a primary function of protection. It includes a variety of organs and cells that provide the body with biological,
Helen of
physical,
the
and
ghetto. Shut
chemical
the fuck up.
protection, whether producing vitamin D, enhancing calcium absorption, regulating internal body temperature, protecting from damaging ultraviolet energy,
Maybe I should go
facilitating
inside.
sensory reception, or providing a formidable barrier protection. The integumentary system has highly specialized to perform its functions. The integumentary system includes the skin, sweat, and oil glands, hair, and nails.
Okay. The integumentary system provides a variety of protections to the body beyond physical barrier. Beyond a physical barrier. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, which is the epidermis on the outside, and the dermis is deep to the epidermis, or in other ways, the epidermis is superficial to the dermis. So covers the entire body surface area of 1.2 to 2.2 square meters, accounts for 7% of your body weight, which is 1.5 to 4 millimeters thick. That's the epidermis. The epidermis is composed of epithelial cells and is the outermost protective shield of the body. The dermis is a tough, leathery layer composed of fibrous connective tissue. Okay. Skin is much more than a barrier against the external environment. In fact, it provides a variety of physical, chemical, and biological protections. The skin is indeed a complex, multifunctioning organ. Yes, my belly is popping out of my clothes. I have my period and I'm bloated. Is that okay with you? Should I stop being a woman? Right. It provides a protective barrier against mechanical, thermal, physical injury, and hazardous substances. Stratified epidermis, keratinized cells, and collagen-rich dermis. Hold on, my phone is overheating. Let me try to put my bag so it could be in the shade. There we go. How tall are you? I'm 5'5". I'm short. Well, I'm like average woman height or something. No, I think yeah. No, I think the average woman height in the United States is 5'9", actually. But I'm 5'5" and 3/4. Don't forget the 3/4. My skin is soft and subtle. I exfoliate every day. I tell people this all the time. I use the African net to what you call it. I just realized I haven't seen this girl at work. I use the African net to exfoliate every day. That's what I use as my wash rag. Yeah, LOSO, in case you didn't know so. It prevents the loss of moisture, lipids disperse throughout more superficial layers of of the epidermis. So superficial would mean closer to the surface, not deep. Reduce harmful effects of UV radiation, cellular action of melanocytes. So the reason why black people say they don't need suntan lotion, I mean sunscreen and stuff like that, is because we have melanites, which are melanated cells. Melanocytes, I'm sorry, I don't know why I said melanites, but we have melanocytes that produce our melanin. So because more melanin is produced for us, we swear up and down that we don't need sunscreen, which is not true. Black people can still get skin cancer. Okay, put on your sunscreen like I'm doing. You want to get a tan? Put the sunscreen on that has the tan in it. This is instant bronzer from Australian Gold. This is 30, sunscreen 30, and it's water resistant 80 minutes. But I'm not getting in the water, so it's okay. Just a little arm and shoulder. Where's the top? Oh, I always bring this to school because I tan on my lunch break. So, acts as a sensory organ for touch, detects temperature, variety of nerve cells, presence of hair. So the hair detects if things are going to touch it, which triggers the nervous system to let it know that something is interfering physically. Okay, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. This is what I should have been doing from the beginning. This is why I'm not doing good in this class, right? Because I should have been coming on live and explaining it to y'all, whether y'all want to hear it or not. Because me explaining it to y'all helps me know that I know it. Jamaica, man. You kissed your sister-in-law? I know I talk like I'm a big, tall, 5'11" girl, but I'm 5'5". But I fight you like I'm 6'2". So there's that. Okay, helps regulate temperature, granular production of sweat, vasomotor responses of dermal blood vessels, an immune organ to detect infections, and etc. Presence of bone marrow derived immune cells, production of vitamin D. Skin contains a chemical when exposed to ultraviolet energy and converts it to vitamin D. That's why, as black people, they say we don't have a lot of vitamin D because most of us don't sunbathe. Yeah, yeah. Did I eat breakfast today? No, no, I didn't. I did feed my dog. I didn't walk him though. Mm, I am having lunch. Right. I am doing my, what am I thinking? I'm gonna walk my dog for like 30 minutes today. Give him a good walk. I feel like I got a pimple. What was that? Hmm. I don't know. I don't feel it anymore. Well, it doesn't hurt. I don't know. Epidermal layers and the cells. So the most superficial layer, which is on, which is this, we have the stratum corneum. Underneath that, we have the stratum lucidum. Underneath that, we have the stratum granulosum. This is the primary cell of the epidermis. This is where the keratinites are at in varying levels of developing. Now, how you say your keratin is like your hair, your nails, and your skin. That's what produces that. So that actually comes from the third layer, not the first two. Then underneath that, you have the stratum spinosum, which is the dendritic cells, which are also called the Langerhans cells. And the Langerhans cells, hold on, I forget. The Langerhans cells are specialized dendritic cells found in the stratum spinosum that function as a macrophage. And then, what the fuck is a macrophage? Hold on, give me a second. I don't know. I don't know what a macrophage is, guys. Shit. Oh gosh. Down goes Fraser. Down. What the fuck? Oh, down goes Fraser. Down. Oh, my phone is overheating. I gotta get out this sun. Damn, I was enjoying myself. Oh, thank you for the gold coin. Then you have the stratum basal, which is Merkel cells and melanocytes. That's where the melanin is produced. And then, what is a Merkel cell again? Um, a Merkel cell is a receptor cell that's in the stratum basal of the epidermis that responds to a sense of touch. Oh shit, my bag almost fell. Okay, it's probably time for me to go inside. Piss on me in the tub. When the belly acts like a table for the boobs is too big. I don't have that problem. Is that sweat? Oh wow. Ooh, it's hot. Interesting. The stratum basal. This is where the Merkel cells and cysts are, the melanocytes, and this is where the stem cell keratinocytes are. The stratum basal is the deepest cellular level of the epidermis. It is comprised of the keratinocytes that act as stem cells, supplying the tissue with its primary cells. Okay, so the keratin acts as a stem cell, supplying the tissue with primary cells in the deepest cellular level of the epidermis. The keratinocytes in the basali are held tightly together by desmosomes. Keratinocytes produce a durable protein called keratin. Duh. As keratinocytes mature, keratin dominates the cell to the point that the cell becomes a non-living protein package because keratin is dead cells. Not the bird waiting for the food. Greedy. Get out of here. He ain't paying me no mind. Merkel cells exist at the epidermal dermal junction. So the dermal layer and the epidermal layer, there's the Merkel cells, right? Each cell is associated with a nerve, which has a neuron. A Merkel cell and associated neuron is known as a Merkel disc. Merkel discs are touch receptors. So the little hairs, when they stand up because they feel something, that's a touch receptor. The melanocytes produce the protein pigment called melanin. That's why I'm so beautifully, pigmented now. Melanin is a major protein responsible for skin color. That's why you have less melanin, you're white, or you're pale. You have more melanin, you're chocolatey, scrumptious. Melanin is packaged by the Golgi apparatus into packets called melanosomes. Melanosomes leave the cells that are taken up, leave the cells and are taken up by the keratin cells. Melanosomes form a shield over the nucleus to protect the genetic material from UV damage, protect from cancer, sun rays, things of that nature. Melanin is therefore responsible for skin tanning, and tanning is protective. That's why white people don't tan, they burn. Somebody said, oh boy, here we go again. Scrotum. Leave my broken watch alone. It still works. Sternum spinosum. So this is where the dendritic, aka Langer hang cells are. Under the microscope, the keratinocytes and the stratum spinosum take on a spiny shape. Spine, spinosum, okay. The spinosum, the spinosum is the thickest layer of the epidermal layers. So there's 5 layers. This one's the thickest because I want the thick one. Microtubules span the cytosol and attach to desmosomes, reinforcing them. Keratinization begins in the spinosum. Dendritic or Langerhans cells are present in the spinosum. Dendritic cells are bone marrow derived macrophages. They help mediate immune responses when microbes and infections enter the skin. So dendritic cells will basically they assist the immune response. So they assist white blood cells. It's safe to say. Then there's the stratum granulosum. These words are a little tough to pronounce. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you read medical journals for fun? Well, this is the what system is this again? The integrity. I can't. Whatever. The next superficial layer, superficial meaning above or closer to the top, closer to the surface. The next superficial layer is called the stratum granulosum. This is comprised of keratinites, keratinocytes, whatever, also known as granular cells. Granular cells. Cells contain caro, keratohyalin granules and lamellar granules. The lamellar granules contain and release lipids that help waterproof the skin. Because I guess if the skin wasn't waterproof, the water would just enter. Yeah. The caro, the keratohyalin. I'm sorry, this pronunciation is like really, really horrible. It's like I apologize in advance. Play a role in dehydrating the cell in preparation of its final role in the corneum, which would be to flake off. Nah, my back really is sweating right now. That shit is crazy. Then you have the stratum lucidium. The stratum lucidium layer is only present in the thickest skin of the palms and soles. So you don't have it here, you just have it here and on the bottom of your feet. The stratum lucidium layer is only present in the thicker skin of the palms. The fucking bird is eating the fucking spicy Doritos that she just had, and I know that shit gonna make the bird choke because the girl choked on it. Okay, enjoy that. Its main function is to reduce friction between the stratum corneum and the stratum granulosum. Okay, cells are filled with an intermediate keratin. Stratum corneum. This is the most superficial layer. So this is the top layer. 10 to 30 layers of flattened keratin-filled packets. No nucleus, no organelles because it's dead. It's just dead skin. Oh, it does? Okay. Constantly slawed off and replaced from deeper layers because when we wash, we take that top layer off. When you carry a leather wallet or purse, you are carrying a portion of a processed and treated hide of an animal. The hide is tough, collagen rich dermis. Damn, why he just had to do that? Connective tissue, dermis, papillary layer, and the reticular layer. So the dermis is well vascularized, it has collagen fibers, macrophages, fibroblasts, elastic fibers, free nerve endings, richly innervated mast cells, white blood cells, specialized sensory receptors. So the papillary layer, 20% of the dermis, has areolar tissue, collagen and elastin fibers that are loosely woven, heavily invested with blood vessels. Palms of hands and soles of feet lie on larger mounds called dermal ridges, epidermal ridges, and superficially in peg-like projections called the dermal papillae. Papillae indents the epidermis. Each papillae contains capillary loops, free nerve endings, pain receptors, and touch receptors. And the other 80% is the reticular layer of the dermis, which is dense, irregular connective tissues, blood vessel network between reticular layer and the hypodermis, thick bundles of interlaced collagen fibers running mostly parallel to the skin surface. So the collagen fibers go this way, not this way. That's not even how you spell areola. What you want to work something out? Work something out like what? Mm-mm. Elastic fibers of the reticular layer provide the skin's property of elasticity. So you're able to do this because of the reticular layer. The glands, hair, and nails are considered accessory organs of the integumentary system. The sweat, sebaceous, and ceremonious, I don't know, are exocrine glands. Glands are structures that intentionally synthesizes and then release a substance. This release action is known as secretion. Secretion is excretion is a reaction, secretion is a choice, some shit like that. And the substance is known as secretion. Ooh. There are two types of glands, exocrine and endocrine. Endocrine glands secrete substances directly into the extracellular spaces where it enters the blood vessels and is carried throughout the body. The glands of the integumentary system are exocrine glands. Exocrine glands secrete substances into a duct that opens into a body cavity or onto the body's surface, which would be sweat. That's the sudoriferous glands distributed over the entire skin surface. So what I'm doing right now, my back sweating, that would be the exocrine glands secreting to try to get my body's being overheated to try to get it back to this normal temperature. Distributed over the entire skin surface except for the nipple. Graded? Well, I mean, you're serious, aren't you? How generous do you want to be? How generous do you want to be? All right, well, it's 12:50. Fuck them. I mean, yeah. Class started 20 minutes ago. If my phone was on, I'd text Nisha, but it's not on. Maybe it'll turn on. Oh, wait, it's just going to keep going if we don't? Yeah, me either. So should we all just sit next to you? Hey, like, I's coming. I's coming. Oh, oh. You're serious? Oh, look, she's lucky. The intermediate. I can't say it. It's so hard for me. Everything. Oh shit. Okay. Oh yeah, because I tests are cumulative and not subject based. Everything. He's Nelly from the South. Why is it still beeping? I didn't know I had headphones in when I came in. Yeah, I didn't know that. I don't like to sit inside for my lunch break. Try to get the most out of what the campus has to offer. Even though I was sweating down my back my entire lunch break. 2 minutes. If I was him, if I know him, he probably left. Please. He literally said he only came to class because he thought we had a test. So, yeah, I'm gonna step out and have a drink of juice. I figured I'd have a snack while we wait. Okay.
All right. Now here we're going to get started. Here we go. Okay, here we're going to get a question. Every question is either a true-false question or a multiple choice question. You're going to have a maximum of 30 seconds. Some of us are less than that to answer the question. We'll keep on going until there's something like 60 questions in this set. Doesn't matter, 30 seconds, I can finish them all in 30 minutes. So, it's your chance. Turn off the lights.
I think we should just all say what we think the answer is and then agree on the answer. Yeah, that's gonna be the fastest way. Oh, but I can't see the screen. Oh.
You get points, you get extra, in terms of the score, you get extra points, you get the question, you answer it right, and you get it in less amount of time, you get more points.
How will you know we got it in less amount of time?
So they don't calculate it, so somebody could have the same right answer, but someone could have more points if they got their answer.
Okay, so like 10 seconds, it'll say like.
You're ready?
We didn't have a choice. really? Seriously?
It's a big quiz.
No wonder you and your grandson have so much fun.
This picture is most associated with which characteristic of life? This picture is most associated with which characteristic of life? You got 25 seconds left. Irritability, metabolism,
Is it
boundaries on metabolism. You all can talk to each other if you get
metabolism or catabolism?
this picture is most associated with 10 seconds left, picture enters in. Y'all can talk to each other. I don't really care. 5 seconds.
I put metabolism.
One person says metabolism, and that would be the
Oh fuck.
I actually selected by accident. I thought metabolism. Alan has 802 points. Everybody else has not. Next question. A homeostatic process is dependent upon
A
an
homeo.
independent control center, a positive feedback loop, stimulus specific center, a distinct and individual effector.
What is that?
Homeostatic process is dependent upon an independent control center, a positive feedback loop, stimulus specific receptor, or a distinct and individual receptor. You have 10 seconds to get your answer.
Is it a distinct individual?
Get your answer. Two people got it correct when they said stimulus. Now the Johnny and Savannah, you go to the. All right, let's get this thing going here. Next question. Water is able to serve as a biological cushion because of its adhesive quality, of its thermal stability, of its polar nature, of its chemical reactivity.
Of its adhesive qualities.
15 seconds.
Because water is cohesive.
A biological cushion.
Yeah, I put the triangle. Because it's cohesive. What?
Nobody said but. Of this chemical reactivity, that's not correct. So everybody said, okay, so nobody got the right answer. It's because of its polar nature.
What?
Somehow
How?
Because it's the polar nature that allows for the cohesion. Next question.
You made these tricky little questions.
Savannah's up top. Oh, here we go. Next question. Here we go. You say, I'm making it tricky. I'm not making it. The hardness of bone reflects its protective function. The hardness of bone reflects its protective function. This is an example of irritability, physiology, cohesion,
Complementarity. Because you love saying that structure denotes function. Are you dancing?
Reel it out. Reel it out. Bring it back in.
It's complementarity. Structure denotes function. Oh. Oh, you got jokes?
So then you see that? That means the band is on fire.
Yeah, she's the quietest one.
Here we go. The characteristic that most contributes to water's solvency is polarity, thermal stability, and chemical reactivity. 15 seconds, get your answers in.
Well, what is it?
Polarity. 5 seconds.
Well, when in doubt, thug it out.
It's because of its polarity that it's a chemical reaction. Because of its polarity, the answer is polarity. Johnny's up to the top now. Let's see the next one is. Here we go. While observing the human brain upon autopsy, the pathologist noted very shallow soul size. This is an example of
very shallow grooves.
surface anatomy, developmental anatomy, growth anatomy, or comparative anatomy.
Is it gross or is it surface? Yeah, but surface you can see too.
5 seconds, get your answers in.
I put surface. I could be wrong. Oh.
Or people say gross anatomy, gross anatomy.
So what's surface anatomy then?
Surface anatomy is the topic. All right. True or false? Anabolism typically results in the production of simpler substances and the release of metabolic energy.
So the answer's false.
True or false?
Hmm? Because anabolism is using the energy.
What happens when people take anabolic steroids?
What?
Anabolic steroids.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
I'm trying to go away. Here we go. When groups of same or similar cells combine to perform a common function, the hierarchical level of organization is
Wait, what?
cellular.
When groups of same or similar cells combine to perform a common function, the hierarchical level of organization. Oh, yeah, because tissue is same cell. It's a bunch of similar cells.
Everybody says that. Next question. Lottie is on fire. The anatomical change is most associated with puberty. An example of which branch of anatomy?
Oh, it's developmental.
Chemical or developmental?
Developmental. Who put histological?
Histological.
What is that?
That's study itself.
So it's tissue.
It's tissue.
You can go to whoit.com and then use this.
I thought you said no. Okay.
Here we go. The maintenance of temperature of the testes in the scrotum is an example of
I remember that.
developmental anatomy. Positive feedback, effective influence, organismal reaction.
Is it blue?
Oh, wow. I don't even see.
An answer?
Well, okay, I guess I see.
So
I guess I see.
you guess?
Yeah. I'm all the ones that do. Effective influence. This is correct. All you gotta say, because the scrotum, the muscles in the scrotum are effective.
Yeah.
And that's what pulls the testes out. Alan is on fire. Answers 7 in a row. Alan is Randy is stalling a little bit. Here we go now. The picture above represents the cell in prophase, telophase, anaphase, or metaphase.
Shit.
Metaphase. Oh, we got right. Maybe the picture wasn't severe, maybe you didn't see it before.
I mean, the screen could be a little brighter.
Nobody.
Nobody got it right. Most of us didn't get time to answer.
Well, you got 30 seconds. Phase of mitosis, most associated with genetic material protection is
Genetic material protection. Yeah.
Six people got it right. prophase is the answer.
Damn, we lost our streaks. Cause nobody's on fire.
Thank you. Oh, Johnny, yeah, Johnny. Okay, but this, Imani, that means you coming up. That means you coming up. True or false? The double helix structure of DNA molecule represents two identical nucleotide strands. True or false?
It's true. I guess this is the closest we're gonna get to you having a performance. Remember when you said you was gonna serenade us?
I was going to serenade you. What we got here? Somebody said false. The answer is false.
What?
Oh, right, they're complementary.
Because they're complementary cases.
And it said identical.
Right? Complementary.
Who got it right?
You got it right. You got it. The replication of DNA requires analysis of DNA, the anabolic synthesis of RNA, breaking of hydrogen bonds, the fragmenting of the nuclear element.
Is it the replication of DNA requires
5 seconds, get your answers in.
I don't think I got that one right.
Nobody got it right.
Yeah. We thought it was, you know why? Because we saw the word RNA, we got excited. Okay.
The phase of mitosis most associated with genetic material organization.
The phase of mitosis
Come on, Savannah.
is metaphase, right?
Well, y'all not talking to each other now?
That's what I'm saying. This supposed to be a group assignment.
Metaphase, like, nobody about that.
Okay. And 6 people answered. All right.
6 people say metaphase. And that is correct.
I was reviewing this earlier. Yes, prophase is the beginning.
Caitlin, moving up. Caitlin, she's trending. Caitlin's trending. Huh?
Yeah. It's okay. No, she said it's annoying that nobody's. The enzyme mostly associated with DNA replication is
RNA polymerase, centromere,
DNA replication.
DNA helicase, nucleosome polymerase.
I don't remember this. You're gonna go with DNA helicase? Well, when in doubt.
Centromere obliterate. I like that. 5 people said DNA helicase, DNA helicase is correct.
He literally just said centromere obliterate. I made that up.
Centromere obliterate.
Yeah, because obliterate, but even still, obliterate wouldn't mean replicate. So.
Johnny, Savannah, Caitlin, come on, man. There we go.
It's the speed. Yeah. DNA replication
DNA
occurs.
replication occurs just before mitosis begins. DNA replication, true or false? DNA replication occurs just before mitosis begins.
I'm gonna say yes.
No, you should all say false.
Oh. It happens right after.
DNA occurs in the S phase, replication, and then you still have G2, and then you go into the mitosis. So it's not just who said false? Johnny trying to catch me, so let's see. And Johnny not talking, because Johnny could have said.
Johnny could have said that doesn't sound right.
Everybody is false.
Yeah.
I guess it's take my word for it's false. You guessed it at the last.
You know what? I'm glad we haven't had a group assignment
The phase
Shit.
of mitosis most associated with genetic material liberation is
Liberation.
anaphase, metaphase, telophase.
I'm gonna put telophase because
Liberation.
liberation.
You got 5 seconds left. If you did not say prophase, please change it to prophase.
Once you put the answer, you don't get to change
Once
it.
once everybody is in, then the clock stops.
No, once you pick a thing, it don't let you
So
change
you
it.
change it.
What? Where?
You just click it in. You put it on.
No.
Oh, it's not letting you change?
No, you only pick
Oh,
one
I must have set it
answer.
up so that you only have one shot.
Yeah.
Did you get prophase?
Who picked prophase? I guess we're gonna find it.
Johnny! Again, Johnny knew.
It's
He
alright.
stayed there quiet, didn't say anything to anybody. Johnny, did you get the memo?
It's okay.
So maybe speak louder. What you gotta do is say everybody. It's false.
You're supposed to just say what you think, and then we're supposed to be like, no, yes, maybe.
And organelle that is crucial to mitosis is the centrosome, centriole, centromere, nucleosome.
Centromere?
Centromere, you said centromere?
Oh, wait, central.
Centriole?
Doesn't let me,
See, look, yeah, it doesn't let you change it.
Wow, so I set it up so that I must have set it up that way. Oh.
Yeah, it's because there's a beam in the way. Yeah, that's why I was moving earlier.
Okay. The answer is centriole.
And of course, Johnny is on fire.
10,290. He's trying to run away with this thing. And he's trying to wait, and the way he's running away with it,
He's what?
he's not sharing.
Yeah, he's just not saying
He's not
anything.
sharing his answer. Caitlin, coming up. Caitlin is trending again. Savannah. Monty. Let's see what happens. The primary goal of mitosis is cell division, genetic material management, reproduction, daughter cell creation. 20 seconds. Nobody talking. Two answers in three answers. Nobody
Is it
talking.
genetic material? Maybe it's cell division.
5 seconds. Genetic
Um,
material management. Nobody said it. When did I say that mitosis ends?
you said after G1.
Mitosis.
I mean,
Mitosis ends in telophase. The telophase, the cell is still one. The cell splits under cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is not part of mitosis. Mitosis is about the genetic material management.
you know, they shouldn't even offer this class in a 6-week program because this is just too much fucking information. I'm sorry. I'm not wearing any.
The fusion occurs as a result of the perpetual motion of atoms and molecules, electrons moving from one energy level to another, hydrogen bonds between molecules, kinetic energy of atomic neutrons.
Is it hydrogen bonds between?
It is the perpetual motion of atoms and molecules. It is the perpetual motion of atoms and molecules. It is the perpetual. You don't even believe me?
I mean, listen, when life give you lemons.
Oh, you already put the answer.
There's not too many times he's gonna tell us the answer.
Sometimes I just feel bad.
You feel bad for us.
Sometimes I just feel bad.
Damn.
Here we go. The phase of mitosis, most dedicated to genetic material distribution.
Distribution.
Metaphase, telophase, anaphase, or prophase.
It should be anaphase.
Johnny, what you say?
He said it should be anaphase.
Johnny says anaphase.
All right, 5 seconds.
One person, one more person.
Johnny was correct.
Johnny was correct. Johnny said, you could be correct, but I'm still right.
Yeah, by far.
It changed names.
He has to get like 5 questions consistently wrong.
A pancreatic cell is not making enough insulin. The organelle most associated with insulin production
Ooh.
is the ribosome, the mitochondria, the lysosome, or the phagosome.
Is it a lysosome?
Pancreatic cell is not making enough insulin. The organelle most associated with.
I don't think it's a ribosome because that's protein. Is it? I think it's lysosome. Insulin protein? Oh shit! You're right.
The ribosome.
Because insulin is KAHOOT.it.
Here we go. That's the pin. You gotta do www.it within that pin. Imani is on fire. But so we're done.
You know what?
And epithelial tissue is specialized infiltration.
In epithelial tissue specialized infiltration.
Has a lot of vesicles, has been in gap junction.
Specialized for filtration. Simple tissue.
Johnny, what you got?
Gap.
Move one as microvilli?
I don't think so.
5 seconds ago, everybody on their own.
Is it gap junction?
Let's see.
Oh.
Again.
I put gap junctions last minute.
You get it right. You cannot. Savannah is the one most vulnerable to time off the leaderboard. Let's see what happens. True ball. The basement membrane plays an important role in nourishment of epithelial tissue. The basement membrane, what did you say? You said true. Anybody else?
The basement membrane plays an
You say true? We have 2 people that say true. Anybody else says true? Johnny? It's true. Johnny says Johnny's gonna go with whatever. Gonna go with the trend. True. Let's do the next thing. 10 seconds to get an answer. Because you got one name, something you got an answer. 1 and 2, 3, 4. The answer is true. 8 people said true. I mean, everybody moves up. So we can't get it done. That's when one function of epithelium is secretion. An organelle most associated with secretion is mitochondria, organelle, lysosome, and endothelin. So we did this morning. We said,
Is it the Golgi apparatus?
Say that. The Golgi apparatus? Oh, yeah. Johnny says Golgi apparatus.
I said that.
5 seconds. Johnny says Golgi apparatus. Everybody else say Golgi apparatus? The answer is Golgi apparatus. You can say Golgi apparatus.
Yes, I did.
All right. You said you can tell everybody else.
Yes, I did. I'm the one who said it.
Okay. You said that I didn't hear you.
How you didn't hear? You asked him and I
Only
said.
they heard you. Only they heard you.
Thank you kindly.
Here we go. There you go. Can't catch me.
How?
Johnny said you can't catch me. 27. The phase of mitosis most dedicated to genetic material distribution.
Distribution. We didn't just do that. Is it telephase? I feel like it's telephase, right? Because distribution.
Anybody listening? Everybody at home?
Is it telephase?
Second, you're gonna put something in. I got 4 answers. That's all we got.
Oh, you know what? Let me go get my motherfucking binder. I ain't got time for this. This is bullshit.
What happens in the end? What happens in the end?
It's too many phases.
That you bring notes? You bring notes?
I just.
You can't have notes. You got each other.
Well, that's not working.
You have each other. Amylase is the phase in which
Distribution, pulled apart, same thing. Oh, okay, yeah. You have a point. Johnny over here guessing the right answer. And next question.
Here we go. DNA is a polymer made up of monomers of amino acids, pencil sugars, carbon bases, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen bases. Pencil sugars, phosphate groups, nitrogen, pencil sugars, carbohydrates, and phosphate. DNA is a polymer made up of.
Is it the green one? Nitrogen.
What does Johnny say?
You might have a point because
Johnny says blue.
that's phosphate and nitrogen. Yeah, it's blue. Because the nitrogen bases and phosphate, not just. I can't see with the carbohydrate, you know.
He's still on fire.
Well, Alan's almost there.
Savannah, you better play down. You trended, Imani is still trending, but Savannah, that means Savannah got her answer in before.
Okay.
Shown is gratified connected tissue, simple epithelium tissue, squamous epithelium tissue, or dense connective tissue.
Okay, so there's a lot of nucleus. Okay, so Alan thinks it's stratified connective tissue. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Why is it not stratified connective tissue?
Who picked that answer? Wow, all of us got it wrong.
Why? Because there's no such thing as stratified connective tissue. There's dense connective tissue.
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Irregular connective. There's loose connective tissue. There's stratified or simple epithelial tissue, but not connective tissue. Now we gotta take a swig of
Salsa water.
salsa water for that one.
Yeah.
No such thing as stratified.
Well, at least Johnny didn't get a point. Yeah, because she's not even on the board.
She's not on the leaderboard.
There's another board?
Yeah, with everybody else. This is just the top five.
Thomas, what?
Plasticity is the ability of the cell to change its shape, the ability of the cell to control its water content, the effect of permeable solvent on the cell, the effect of osmosis on the cell. Oh. Johnny? Red? Johnny says red. I don't know if you want to go with Johnny or this one.
Oh damn.
The effects of osmosis on the cell.
I didn't even get to put it in.
Did you share?
No.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay, here we go. A protein is a polymer made up of monomers called nucleotides. Nitrogen, amino acids, phosphate.
Amino acids?
They just put it in. Okay.
Nucleotides make up DNA, amino acids.
Who put phosphate group?
Okay. Yeah, there is amino acids.
I'm just over here guessing, praying, wishing on stars.
True or false? All nucleotides include sugar.
All nucleotides include the sugar?
Cambridge? Who said true? You said true. Anybody else?
Oh shit.
Everybody putting in a name.
Damn.
Right in half. Of course it is.
I ain't get to click it.
Let's see. I'm trying to make it up. It's been trending again. Savannah, just about there. Mine's been holding it on. It's like third or fourth place. We'll see what happens. True or false? All carbohydrates have a 2-to-1 ratio of carbons and hydrogen. All carbohydrates have a 2-to-1 ratio of carbons and hydrogen. You're not even going to talk to each
What are your thoughts?
What are my thoughts? All sugar.
Carbohydrates not made up of sugar? Yeah. All right, next question.
Here we go. The primary role of lipids in the human body is to
We talked about this earlier.
physiology, maintain the total hydration, support muscular contraction, supply cellular energy.
Is it energy or muscular contraction?
Savannah just said that Savannah said it was addiction. She said
What?
energy. Savannah said that was real conviction. You might want to go into the same thing.
Yes, especially when it's Google. Huh?
Advil is a medication that controls pain by inhibiting cellular production of prostaglandin. Advil works at the cellular level, chemical level, the organism level, or the organ level.
Well,
What does it do?
it controls pain by in cellular.
Cellular?
I think it's cellular.
You got 5 seconds to put in the answer. You think it's cellular also?
I think I was putting it, I chose chemical and
And you ended up wrong.
Yeah, because I chose chemical before. Because you would think Advil is a chemical, but it's doing a cellular. The answer is in the question.
The answer is in the question.
He's telling you it's inhibiting cellular. Yeah.
I like quizzes. Donnie, did you get it right?
Yeah.
Oh, Donnie, did you get it right?
What did you pick?
Let's see. Now we're tightening up. We're tightening up. So that's back. Here we go. The characteristics of light most associated with increased production of melanin is metabolism, irritability, excretion, secretion.
Why is it getting produced? Because of the sun rays. Because your skin needs to protect. You're right.
Which is it again?
Irritability. I don't know what that meant. Because he looked like he wanted to say, not really. Oh, because your skin is trying to protect itself from the sun rays. UV rays, yeah. Yeah, they're not characteristics of life. An excretion is a response from digestion. That's not. Johnny, you about to get knocked off, my man.
Here we go. One tenet of the modern cell theory is cells are created via metabolism. All cells reproduce. Most organisms are made of cells. The cell is a functional unit.
What does tenant mean? Okay. You're very entertaining. Who put most organic?
Most organisms are made of a certain.
Okay.
I guess that would have been correct if I would have said all.
If you would have said all, but you said one. Oh.
Johnny was like, I'm not going to get it. Here we go. A homeostatic feedback loop is dependent on a stimulus-specific receptor, a distinct receptor control center, a single cell detector, an endocrine response.
Is it a stimulus-specific receptor? I think so. Come on, screen, don't do that to me. My screen is all cracked and stuff, so not be pressing it, so we going. I'm holding on. Okay, so who put a distinct and separate control center? Yeah, you can have one that's the same. Two. Yeah. It can receive the problem and then control the problem.
Four hundred points separates the leader.
2 questions, right?
Savannah's on fire. Savannah's on fire. Here we go.
Yeah.
Alan, you say. Here we go. More than may act as a biological cushion, shock absorber due to its solvency, its polarity, its thermal stability.
It's got to be polarity. Because polarity is the reason why it's cohesive. Polarity is the reason why it's this. Polarity is the reason why it's that. This is so much, like, why didn't you tell us about this weeks ago? We could have been at home doing. Yeah, I know, but this is. A protein is. Is it an organic molecule? Is it? It's square? Yeah, it's an organic molecule. We all said Alan. Oh, shit.
Right. So the problem is organic molecule. Because it is a peptide, but it is also protein, carbon, hydrogen.
So our answer is wrong, but it shouldn't be?
So again, the best answer is a peptide.
Okay.
A peptide is a chemical that is made by
Say that again. A peptide is a chain of amino acids. It's okay. You were really close, and it shouldn't have been there.
That's what I got it right to.
Okay. It just hurt our streak.
All lipids have a 2-to-1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen. just told you that. All lipids. Are you gonna tell everybody? What did I tell you? Is it true or false? True. Okay, so he wasn't listening.
Okay, so it's a fall. He was about to say it and you stopped him. You gotta let him finish when he's telling us stuff. Let him feel bad.
Sugar.
Oh, Johnny about to get knocked off.
Sugar. Okay. You get ready to get knocked off the desk.
It's hard to like this.
No, it's always like that. It's always like that.
Oh my God, he's yelling that word.
C6H1206, right? So it's like hydrogen to
You said C6H1206?
ready, here we go. Ready?
Well, it's not the next question. Go to the leaderboard. We got to see Johnny get knocked off.
Knocked off. Knocked off.
It brings you no joy. It brings me great joy. I don't know why I'm not getting no closer. It's electrons, right? Wait, is it Wait.
Oh, that's a trick question.
Shit. What's the atom made up of? Neurons and protons? Oh, okay. No, I was wrong.
Why electrons?
I don't know.
It's a trick question. So you don't even know why you chose it. Yeah. So the electrons are equal to the number of protons.
Okay. Damn.
Johnny got in the top.
Yeah, he took it personally.
You can separate all mixtures by filtration.
You can separate
all mixtures by filtration.
false, right? Okay, I'm gonna say true. I was fucking right. Cause how you gonna put a filter through? Man, I gotta stop second guessing myself. Yeah, you can't. It's as all mixtures. If it says some mixtures, yes, but all mixtures. Yeah, you can't. You can't strain it like you would water and pasta. No, get out. He said crouton strainer. Damn, who put false? Oh, I didn't hear you. I said false, and then I said, oh, well, maybe. Yeah. Damn, I don't like that. Wait, what's your name? Huh? Oh, shit. I didn't realize. So it's 4 people whose name is not up there. Don't pay me no mind. Mixtures are made of. Huh? Yeah, I don't like this. Is it colloids? Solutions? I don't think that's it, but yeah. Cause I didn't. It don't. Yeah.
Yeah, well, some of them are left, some of them are with the people.
What? Why?
Because it's a true false question.
Yeah, solutions didn't sound right to me either. I'm not gonna lie because
I said this is made up of elements and solutions. Well, isn't it a solution and mixture?
yeah, so it can't be made up of.
What's colloid? Colloid is a mixture. Solution and compound. Solutions is a mixture. Compound elements
Are not mixtures or solutions. Okay, so that was relatively easy. We just a little slow. None of us got it right, so it doesn't even matter.
What type of epithelial tissue is this?
What type of epithelial tissue is this?
Simple polymer, simple cuboidal, pseudostratified, ciliated polymer.
Circle? You sure? Because last time you told us that the tissue was stratified.
Okay, don't go with it, and you'll be sorry.
Well, you ain't have to say it like that. Who still put simple squamous? Oh, yeah, I put it before he said that though. Squamous. It's simple columnar. Because it's columns? Okay. That was simple. That was a simple answer to a simple question. That's one question, essentially.
Is keratin a connective tissue?
No, keratin is not a connective tissue.
Keratin is what? What is keratin?
A protein. A dead protein eventually, but it was a protein when it started. The answer is false. This is a group project, guys. We're just competitively being a group. I like how your avatar has the little face thing, the little glasses. The three main components. Oh shit. Connective tissue? Huh? Is it ground substance, fibers, and cells? Ground substance, fibers, and cells.
When you said you're going to get the equipment to get up there, you don't know.
Because collagen, elastin, and reticulate is the dermis, right?
Ground substance.
Yeah.
Donnie, you got that right.
I remember when you said you was making the food.
I remember the answer after.
Oh shit. Johnny got knocked off. Wait, so you put the answer he put? Oh, I'm sure good. I'm trying to get that 2,000, that 20,000. You feel me? If only this could be our final. Ooh, it's the shit. It's not the nervous system. It's not the digestive system. Excretory. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. Yeah. So then it has to be the circulatory system. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit, Johnny getting knocked off. Oh wait, you already got knocked off. I forgot. Yes. No, I didn't know that. Why am I saying that? So I put circulatory system. It was a process of elimination because it's not the nerves, it's not the digestive system, and I didn't know what was extra. What was that? Okay, yeah, I thought so. Process of elimination.
When you got six, you got 6 in a row. Maybe
Savannah might get knocked off.
Okay. There we go.
Epidermis has no blink. The epidermis, it has no blood supply, but it has nervous tissue. Wait, ability to regenerate keratin, stratified basement. I'm gonna go with, yeah. Because you can't get a cut on based on just the epidermis, so it has no blood supply. But you could be, you could feel stuff, yeah, but it hurts, so you have nerves. Like you could get a paper cut and it'll hurt, but it won't bleed.
Alan says, I'm taking over. Money, you are on fire.
Fire.
That's how you're trying to hold your own. Now, here we go. The part of the osteon most associated with the osteocyte is.
I don't know what that is. I forgot what an osteon is. What did you put? You put lamella or lacuna? Oh shit! I picked it, but it didn't go. I ran out of time. Oh, I'm sorry. Lacuna, cause it's a bone.
What is lacuna?
No.
Lacuna is.
Hakuna Matata. By the time I clicked the answer, it was already time up. But Alan did. We just gotta remember lacuna. Yeah, I don't know.
Sliding filament theory. Oh, we just did that today.
The sliding.
Sliding includes the sliding of actin, sliding of myosin, sliding of troponin, or the sliding of myosin.
I wasn't in class. We're taking guesses. Oh, I'm taking a guess. The yellow. He said, reel it back in. Y'all was here. Y'all should be ashamed. We got nothing. Your top leaderboard didn't know. Ken. What? What? What you have to pick one?
Because the ATP.
How you say that?
You got that? You got that? That's right. That's right. Johnny, you got it right.
I don't like this.
They're in you on fire. Well, or you're trending. You might be able to get this one by getting on fire. Plasma membrane. It's the mechanism permeable. These are the phospholipid layer, the lipid tail, the transmembrane proteins, the hydrophilic phosphate base.
Come on. See, look, my computer don't want me to be great. It's this, I'm never going to get this beat out my head.
I know.
Oh my God. And I'm going to see you dancing the whole time.
Yeah. What's the quote? Johnny, the quote?
We don't have a quote.
That's right. The only reason why the plasma membrane is negatively permeable is because of the protein and get it.
I just put plasma membrane and transmembrane protein together.
And I'm glad you said that. I had my team every so often they would ask me a question and I would get into the question. And then I start preaching a little bit.
A little?
And I said that I was going to, and then I would apologize for maybe I'm doing too much. And then later on I would never apologize for your never.
What did they say?
They were like, yeah. Right. So doing this, teaching you all, doing this part.
Okay. We appreciate your.
You could help me out by the bodega.
uh,
All right, here we go. One way bone is specialized to be well nourished. Presence of bone marrow.
One way.
Collagen fibers in the matrix. Calcium phosphate salt of the matrix is the presence of periosity.
One way bone is specialized to be well nourished. I think it's bone marrow.
It's not bone marrow.
Oh.
It's not calcium.
Oh
I
shit.
got two. I'm not saying.
It's green.
Presence of periosity. That has to do with the blood vessel that is very
Okay.
presence of bone marrow has nothing to do with it. True or false? The mucous membrane.
Did he get it right?
Oh. The mucous membrane is an organ. True or false?
The mucous membrane is an organ?
Check up Alan. Alan put it in.
No.
Didn't say nothing to anybody. Alan, what did you write? You are true.
No.
It is true.
It's an organism more than a body tissue.
Because the mucous membrane.
A mucous membrane is a simple.
Remember? Membrane is a simple organ made up of bone and fat. And Alan wasn't going to tell anybody.
He didn't say shit.
He just went.
I'm sorry. I have to stop cursing.
Alan was trying to get Alan was trying to see. He just trying to get some space between him and John. Okay, there we go. So that you stayed on the Alan making a comeback. You're not even making a comeback. The epidermis receives its nutrients from
The epidermis.
the region, the reticular layer, the stratum basale, the hypodermis.
It's not the papillary region.
Johnny? You said it's not the papillary region. I think she's wrong. Yeah,
That's where the region of
the epidermis can receive its nutrients from the stratum basale, but the stratum basale is part of the epidermis. Alan's on fire. Johnny, not so much.
Also, we get to learn as we're playing.
Here we go, 57, almost at the end. The skin plays a major role in, I didn't say this, this is a good one. Acid-base balance, vitamin B manufacture, absorption of toxin-based waste, or blood storage.
I don't think it's blood storage. Yeah. I don't think it's vitamin B either. Okay. Yeah.
Blood storage, who said it? Hey, that's the only one that makes sense. The blood storage not because the important. The blood storage because the skin is the largest organ of my body by surface. And you know because something's happened. Something's happened when you're sick. What happens to your skin? You get pale. Somebody looks at you and says, "You get pale," because that blood that's stored in it goes somewhere else. When you get embarrassed and when you blush, when you turn red, you just blush. And that is because blood. When we are hot, my grandson was hot outside. And he's running around and his body temperature goes up, his face and his little cheeks, they turn red because they're getting more blood there. And the blood, and it's still warmer outside, so that heat in the blood is moved from a warmer to a cooler.
So, what's the exertion of carbon-based waste?
Exertion of carbon-based waste doesn't exist.
We picked a figment of his imagination. This is some bullshit.
You still win. Connective tissue.
What do we win?
Heals via a regenerative process, does not contain living cells. It's very diverse.
It's well vascularized. Reel it back in. We didn't even say an answer yet. Oh, so you're saying reel it back into? I don't know. Who picked that?
Everything else is good.
Heals via regenerative process, no, it's a fibrotic process. Does not contain living cells, of course, it's a tissue that contains living cells. It's well vascularized, no, it's a combination, some is well vascularized, some is not. So all of that makes it great. Almost finished? See how we can get to 62 questions? If I gave you 62 questions on the paper, we could get it 3 hours. Here we go. A significant function of the stratum granulosum.
Stratum
Is to
granulosum.
activate the immune response, keep water from entering the body, to reduce the calcium, helping the exercise.
Stratum.
You'll think Johnny don't know. Johnny don't.
Oh shit. I ain't even put nothing. Because it creates keratin.
Yes. Here we go, almost finished. 3 more. The nutrient paramina of cortical bones are part of the lamina, the canal, the perforating canal of the house.
What? That's not English. The nutrient of the cortical bone. Where is the cortical bone? Okay.
Two people said perforating.
I didn't perforate it. I thought cold. That's something that's open space.
It's the perforating canal, the nutrient paramina the perforating canal opens up on the surface of the bone as the nutrient paramina. The other end of it opens up in the habit.
Yeah, I'm one of the red people. Sorry.
See? Two more. Bone is specialized to be well nourished because of the presence of Iverson canal, circumferential lamella, osteocytes, concentric lamella.
Huh?
Oh, what do we got? 2 two people said Havertine Canal, what did two people say? Havertine Canal is the tube that runs the length of the bone, where the blood vessels go in, blood vessels nerves, lymphatics, up and down.
And then the other side is the perforated.
Perforated canal pierces the Havertine Canal at a 45 to 90 degree angle. I think this is the last question. How is that? So, true or false? Bone heals via a fibrotic process. True or false?
Fibrotic process. What does fibrotic mean?
It's the over 32.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I remember.
You got some rain?
Sheep. You have gloves?
You got gloves?
No. I thought that was the one thing that would be here. Ooh, can we call maintenance? They should have gloves, right? Yeah, like the, for real? We don't have gloves.